Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade creamsicles. Yummy, I love creamsicles. So a couple of days ago, I did a post on creamsicle floats. And so this video is going to be a short little easy video using pretty much the same ingredients that we use for the creamsicle float. So you could do like a variety of treats, at least two, with the same ingredients. I also had a request quite a long time ago to make an episode on creamsicles. So here we go. That's what we're gonna do. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna give you 4 little variations on these creamsicles. And there's pretty much 2 variations, but 2 ways of going about it. And each one of those tastes just a little bit different. So first, what I did is I took my crush soda, orange soda, and I let it sit out for an hour or 2 so it would lose its fizz or carbonation, because that just really helps with the ice cream that we're going to use. And we are going to use vanilla ice cream. Here are other ones that I made previously. And so what you pretty much are going to do is you'll just take your mold, and then what you'll do is you'll take like a funnel and you'll pour probably about halfway full. And then what you'll do is you'll just take your ice cream and you'll take little pieces of ice cream and just go ahead and let it go on in there. And you'll notice that it's not fizzing up like it would like in our cream soda floats. And the cool thing about this is you can play with the ratios of how much of the ice cream you want and how much of the soda. And then you just go ahead and put your top on, and then there you go. That's one way to do it. And then you can switch out the soda with orange juice and do it the exact same way if you want. Now, and it winds up being great. My favorite way, I think, though, is you take your ice cream and you take your soda or your orange juice and you combine them. I just do like equal parts. That was about like 1/4 of a cup of soda, and that's about 1/4 of a cup of ice cream. And then we're going to go ahead and just mix these together. And it's okay if you have some ice cream chunks in there, that's great. Or you can let them dissolve completely. It tastes really good. And just go ahead and fill up your mold like that. That is my preferred method. Again, and you can alternate between soda and orange juice if you want. And now I want to show you kind of the difference of what they look like frozen. This is one where it was mixed completely together and it's got a nice cream color to it. And this is one where I just kind of smashed the ice cream down along with the soda, and you can see just the different tones in there. So there you go. Pretty awesome. And then what you want to do, just for them to come out easy, just go ahead and run some warm water over it and it'll come out of the mold real easy. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, I ran some water on it, you pull it out. Looks really good. Tastes really good, just like a creamsicle. Now, one thing to note, there are special molds that you can buy where it allows you to get like just the cream in the middle and the orange soda part around on the outside. But I don't have one of those, so I'm just using traditional popsicle molds. All right, our homemade creamsicles are done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. There's a variety of ways that you can make them for different tastes. And yeah, go out there and make your own. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. Grab this one. So yummy.